Hello everyone, myself Manish Kumar from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, holding version 1B20CS083. Today I am going to discuss about types of flat plate collector, which is the topic of subject non-conventional energy sources. The first topic we will discuss is introduction. Here we will introduce flat plate collector and their types. How many types we are having in flat type of plate collectors. Let's start. Flat plate collectors are a type of solar thermal collector used for converting solar radiation into thermal energy. There are several types of flat plate collectors based on their design, orientation, and materials used. Here are some of the common types of flat plate collectors. Usually, we have discussed here five types of solar flat plate collector. We will discuss in this video. The first type is glazed flat plate collectors. They are the most common types of flat plate collectors that have a glass or plastic cover on the top of the observer plate. The cover helps to trap the solar radiation and reduce heat losses from the observer plate. The absorber plate is made up of a dark colored metal such as copper or aluminum that absorbs the solar radiation and converts it into thermal energy. It's the first type of flat plate collector. Let's move towards our further discussions and discuss more types of flat plate collectors. The second types is unglazed flat plate collectors. These collectors do not have a cover on top of the observer plate and are used primarily for heating swimming pools or other outdoor applications. The absorber plate is usually made up of a black polymer materials that absorbs solar radiation and converts it into heat. Let's discuss about the third type of collector. Third type is concentrating flat plate collectors. These collectors use mirrors or lenses to focus the solar radiation onto a smaller area of the observer plate, increasing the temperature of the fluid being heated. These collectors are more expensive than traditional flat plate collectors, but they can achieve higher temperatures and are more efficient in capturing solar radiations. Let's discuss about the next type of collector, hybrid flat plate collectors. These collectors use both solar thermal and photovoltaic technologies to generate electricity and heat simultaneously. The absorber plate is usually a combination of a solar thermal collector and a photovoltaic cell, which converts some of the solar radiation into electricity. This type of collector actually converts solar radiation into electricity, and the observer plate is usually a combination of solar thermal and solar thermal collector and photovoltaic cell. That's why it converts solar radiation into electricity. Let's move to our last type of flat collector, and the last type is integrated collectors storage system. These collectors combine the functions of solar collectors and storage tank into a single unit, which eliminates the need for a separate storage tank. The observer plate is usually made of a dark colored metal or plastic and is surrounded by a layer of insulation to reduce heat. These all are the type of the flat plate collectors, and we will end up the session with this. Thank you.